let's compare the Miaday Power Pack, which you can see here, against our LJO USB C charger. So the Miaday Power Pack is great because you charge it up at home, and then it's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So you can take this on the go. It has two large USB ports on it, which you can see here, and you can plug in cables. You do have to supply the cables, but you can plug them in and charge up your devices. And I like to use it if I'm, on the bus or I'm otherwise traveling. I can throw it in my bag and charge up as I go. Now with the LJO EEIH USB C, a little bit different. This is a really powerful charger. It's 45 watts, so it's quite substantial, and it has a USB-C port built in. So this is great for, charging up your Chromebook or your larger device that's going to be more power hungry. But the downside is it's just a USB-C, and also you do need to plug it into the wall to use it. Versus the Miaday, you do have more options. If you supply your cables, you can plug in an iPhone or anything you want, and you can take this charger with you on the go, but it's not quite as powerful as the LJO EEIH.